fluid spin. Hope you guys are ready for this one. Woohoo! Exciting stuff, guys. We are getting ready for our first ever spin. We're going to start off just simply marching, trying to gain momentum. Once we have enough speed, we're going to pull our arms and feet together at the same time. Arms are crossed tight with our chest, feet are parallel and right underneath the hips and shoulders. When we have that marching entrance down, time to work on a different entrance, our pivots. We're going to have one toe pick on the ice, use our inside edge of the opposite foot and knee bend to pick up the momentum. Once you pick up momentum from the pivot, simply pull your arms and legs in, stay upright, chest up, waist straight to do a beautiful spin. Finally, we are ready for the most advanced entrance. This is the same entrance that will set us up for our 1 foot spin. We are going to start off with our feet in a T position. We're going to lead left arm and left leg in front if you are a righty, opposite if you are a lefty. I am creating a nice tight curve. Now it's time to add the spin at the end. Notice my front arm stays nice and upright. It doesn't dip when I go into the spin. You will feel your foot naturally do a 3-turn, interestingly. Once you feel your foot doing the 3-turn, that is when you pull your arms and legs in to do the spin. Be sure never to drop the hips or shoulders when going into the spin. That will knock you off balance. Also make sure your feet are nice and tight, arms are hugging as tight as possible. The tighter you are, the faster you will spin. Lastly, this will take some practice and patience. Make sure your timing is correct. Your arms and feet are going in at the same time. Right after you feel your leading foot going into that 3-turn, that way you can do a proper spin. Subscribe to my channel and social media for more skating tutorials. You guys rock and see you all next time.